So benilele yabo le ncwadi ayinani nento benilele yabo ndavuka xa ndithi ndachola ngencwadi ndaqomba hayibo sisibusiso le ncwadi nje ngathi incwadi business so ndifuna ishare nani yazi nje I'm a information sharer. When I learn something I want for you to know yabo I want people knowing and I want people successful. I love that. So let's just touch on the basics or introduction to business. With the introduction yabo mama ndiyazi uba ndiyandifunda nawe uzawufunda masifundeni sonke abanene namanenekazi amantombi namakhwenkwe amadoda namantombi, ladies and gentlemen. In a market economy, the business world can be seen as a complex system which involves transforming resources into products and services. These products and services must meet the needs of the people in exchange for a profit. This description of business emphasizes 4 different elements, which is human activities, production, exchange, and profit. Then ke ngoku second chapter it is the role of business in society. The business world is a complex system of individuals and business organizations that in a market economy involves activity of transforming resources into products and services in order to meet the needs of the people. These products and services are offered to the market in exchange for a profit. So ke ngoku sicacisa the 4 elements that we mentioned, which are human activities, production, exchange, and profit. So ke ngoku human activities. Firstly, business activity involves human activities. Business organizations are managed by people, while businesses may own property, machines, and money. All of those are managed or operated by people. Secondly, business activity involves production. Production is the transformation of certain resources into products and services. This may be, for example, the conversion of flour, sugar, and butter into bread, or the conversion of bricks, sand, cement, wood, and steel into a house. Indeed, even services are produced. A hospital provides an example of this. Labor, beds, and medicine are converted into a health service. The South African airline industry offers another example. Passengers are transported safely and efficiently to their required destinations, and as this happens, the passengers, consumers, become part of the transformation process. Exchange. Thirdly, business involves exchange. Businesses produce products and services not for their own use but to exchange for money or for other products and services. Finally, business involves profit. Neither individuals nor business organization could continue producing products and services without earning a profit. It's impossible. A profit is the reward for meeting the needs of the people. So le ncwadi ithi kanje ke ngoku funa sihambe sonke ungabe ujonge ubuso bam nezipeki zam ngithemba izawubonakala ndiyazi jonga. Resources, which is mixers, flour, sugar, ne-labor. Then bayabhatala first resources izaphi kwi-business, which is the bakery, i-transformation leyo okanye production. Ize kwi-profits ke ngoku, which is products or services, exchange le ibread yabo kanjalo fethu. Qala kwezinto ezimixwayo iflour, isugar, intontoni ize kwi-business bayibheke i-transformation leyo. Iflour yi-resource, i-business bakery le kuhlawulwa kuyo transformation, then ke ngoku kube products okanye services ze-exchange yintoni yisonka. Then ke ngoku I'm done. Yabo I don't want to overload information. Sibamba nje kancane siyeka, sithi kancane siyeka, kancane. Funa ubambe isithathu, isithathu inde le ncwadi. Le ncwadi inde. Okay. The Business world is there a system of individuals and business organization that produces products and services to meet the people's need. Some businesses produce tangible result the products like car, bread, houses, or bicycle. Other businesses produce services such as transport, city airline industry, yabo. Communication, television, entertainment, insurance, or lottery services. Business is the means by which society endeavors to satisfy its need and improve its standard of living. At the heart, the phazanyisa abantu bathanda ungena kulo mzuzu andazi noba ndithini, especially xa nenza ividiyo bangena ngobuninzi. At the heart of all business activities At the heart of all business activity are entrepreneurs who start new ventures and thereby create jobs, economic growth, and it is hoped prosperity. No one invented the business world. It is a result of activities relating to meeting the needs of the people in a market economy. The most important characteristics of business world in developed countries of the West and Asia is the freedom of individuals to establish any business of their choice and produce within the limits any product or services the market requires. This system in which individuals themselves decide what to produce, how to produce it, and what price to sell is called the market system or the market economy. This is the prevailing economy of South Africa. In South Africa, yabo. Yeah. So ke ngoku individuals must establish business of their choice yabo and produce within limits yabo any product or service in market. Now ungajonga uba market require ntoni. What does the market require right now? I'm thinking, what does the market require? Don't know, but I'll search what does the market require. You should also do that research for you. Ungaqala business kanjalo yabo. Ungaqala business kanjalo eyipha information important, eyipha information important, eyipha information important. Okay. Hayi ngathi sivalile. Siqabile. Sharp. The next one. So ndiyenze ngomso ndifuna yenza ividiyo eninzi ngemini eyi-1. Idatha encinci lo wena mandijonge idatha. Mandivale.